You left me with nothing but agony. I stuck by her side so happily. We needed each other like now I know what is happening. I'm up in the deal with Timothy. Distracting myself, eating remedy. At first I thought that she was sent to me. What's happening? We started out Freddie and Daphne. So good that it felt like a trap to me. The girl in my dream like a fantasy. But we've been caught out in reality. We reached the pinnacle of apathy. It must been a victim of gravity. Because it declined so rapidly. I thought you was just like a masterpiece. Cause you all I see in my gallery. I should've had a better strategy. Cause I was falling for you naturally. But you've been plotting on me actually. You left me with nothing but agony. I stuck by your side so happily. We treated each other like drugs. Now I do not know what is happening. They tried to warn me it was bad for me, but I just brushed it off so casually. I put all my trust in the love, and I became another casualty. Coincidentally, you guarded my back and then you attacked. I never thought you was my enemy. It wasn't always like that. I remember the days when your voice was a symphony. Music to my ears. I would wipe your face when you would cry tears and then try to protect you from your fears. I was doing all of that for 4 years, talking light years, not sure years. Shawty stressed me out, I need more beers. Tried to curry through like a warrior, but that wasn't enough. We went through the rough and the tough together, but tough was my luck. It got to the point I was just trying to keep my head up, stuck in the rut. Cause the woman that I love would rather be cuffed to a bottle of rum. And I was a sucker like dumb. I could never tell her if she wanted money, she got some. I wanted some, I got none. Always be playing the victim, so it was time that I run. Our love was insanity, consisted of tragedy. Was almost a family, but you aborted it, infant mortality. On top of that, you barely opened your mouth unless it was profanity. Always saying I was full of shit, but all you wanna do is crap on me. Always trying to keep the peace, but I swear it's like you like calamity. Always telling me you love me, but I'm an innocent bystander to all your apathy. Stuck a knife through my
into the place, I spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and denim from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Your sudden gaze and time, it started racing. But moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. If you could read my